Good morning, I'm Dr. Stephen Vold with the Health Edge, and this morning we're going to talk about cataracts. Cataracts are the leading cause of reversible vision loss in the United States and worldwide. A cataract is essentially a cloudy lens. As you can see, we have the cornea, which is the surface of the eye or the window to the eye. The lens is what focuses the light beam on the retina. In cataracts, we have a cloudy lens, which is like having a dirty windshield on your car. You can change your glasses all you want, but until you wash that windshield, you can't see better. And that's essentially what we do in cataract surgery. There are different types of cataracts. For instance, this is what we call a nuclear sclerotic cataract. There are types that are called cortical cataracts, which are where you'll see the white almost on the outside of the eye, a more peripheral part of the lens. In cataract surgery, we essentially replace that with a clear lens that will focus, and we can actually correct your prescription in your glasses. Thank you so much for joining us this morning. I'm Dr. Stephen Vold with Vold Vision, where your sight is our vision. Join us again next week.